In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your name on Facebook account. So first of all, log in into your Facebook account. After that, you need to head to this section. After that, you need to scroll down and move to setting and privacy. Then you need to tap on settings. And then after, you need to move to account center. After that, tap on profiles. After that, you need to tap on name. So you can just edit from here. Okay, let me change my name here, and after that you can just hit to review change. Okay, just hit to review change. Okay, you can just put your middle name here and click on now save. So yeah, so you can just refresh it. So thanks for watching.